Fried and crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside, and deeply comforting, the Italian mozzarella in carrozza is a perfect party sandwich. Today I'll show you how to make these better than grilled cheese sandwiches loved by kids and adults alike. Mozzarella in carrozza is simple, but it takes attention to do it right. Use fresh mozzarella or dry shredded mozzarella for an extra gooey center. To assemble the sandwiches, you'll want crustless bread. In Italy, this is called tramezzini. It's a favorite for appetizers. Fill the sandwiches with mozzarella and add any additional fillings that you love. In Italy, we often add pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, even anchovy fillets, or zucchini flowers, and then cut the sandwiches into squares or triangles. Nothing should extend beyond the bread. Before assembling, set up your workstation. We'll bread twice for a crispy finish. Be sure the breading ingredients are seasoned with a pinch of salt, the flour, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. First, we flour each sandwich. Then dredge it in beaten eggs. Dip the sides first, then use forks to coat the surfaces. Flipping and transferring with forks keeps our breading clean and neat. Let the sandwiches rest a minute after the eggs to drop any excess. Then we head into the breadcrumbs. Here it's best to bread the tops and bottoms and then the sides. And let the sandwiches rest a minute. And then we finish with the second breading. Same procedure as before: flour, then egg, a rest, then breadcrumbs. Mozzarella in carrozza translates in English to mozzarella in a carriage, like the old-fashioned kind pulled with a horse. Before frying, double check that the edges are straight and neat. And let the sandwiches rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. It helps the ingredients to bind together, giving you neater sandwiches. To fry, a deep fryer is ideal, but you can also just fill a deep skillet with oil that has a high smoke point, like peanut oil. We want the oil temperature to be about 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit before the sandwiches go in. It will only take 1 to 2 minutes. And look how lovely they are. Again, for a maximum gooey center, use a shreddable mozzarella or another kind of shreddable cheese. The fresh mozzarella will leave a bit of a cavity in the sandwich after the frying evaporates the water in the cheese. Now in Italy, dips aren't very common, but these sandwiches are absolutely dippable. Treat them like fried mozzarella sticks and serve with a dip of your choice: marinara sauce, pesto. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more sweet and savory recipes from around the world. And let me know in the comments what you think of these crazy sandwiches.